electric vehicle YouTube channel. So today we are going to review the switch control of this TVS iQUBE. You can see here this is provided with an physical key. Just insert the physical key and just turn on. You can have an UI shown here, TVS iQUBE powered. Welcome the username. So now let us try to see how this electric vehicle work. Press mode switch and brake to start. For example, I have removed the stand. If I enable the stand, it is saying that please retract this side stand. Okay, so if you keep the side stand, automatically the electric vehicle will not start. This is the first safety feature. So now I am going to remove the stand. The UI has been changed, and in order to make the electric vehicle to in order to drive the electric vehicle, you have to use mode switch and brake. Okay, so you can see here, so we have to press the mode switch and brake. Okay, so when you press both, automatically the electric vehicle will start, and the UI is showing that defaultly when you make it off and on, it will show you the echo mode. Now this is in echo mode, so this is in echo mode, and the speedometer is showing that 0 speed is not driven, and the amount of state of charge available in the battery is 68 percentage, and it can be driven for 72 kilometers. And the odometer is nothing but the maximum how much kilometers it has been driven till date is 3846. Coming to the next switch controls. So here we have an hazard switch. When you press this hazard switch, for example emergency parking on highways, the two lights will be indicated, and you can see at the front how the indicators are blinking. So which will give you an hazard signal in such a way that the remaining people will not dash your vehicle. This is nothing but one of the best feature what you have in this electric vehicle. So when you disable this, automatically the hazard switch will be cancelled out. And here we have mode. Okay, so just press this mode switch. When you press this mode switch, it has been switched on to power mode. In this power mode, what it can do is the amount of charging available in the battery is 68 percentage. With this amount of charging available, it can travel up to only 51 kilometers, and you can have one more mode. So we can have only basically two modes. One is echo mode, one is power mode. And coming to the indicators, okay, so these are the switch controls of indicator. Just if you press it, automatically an green color light which is showing an left side signal, and if you toggle the opposite side, it is showing an right color signal. So the consumer who is driving the electric vehicle will have an good UI, so you can experience the good UI, and what's happening in the electric vehicle is completely shown in this TFT display. Okay, so and now I am cancelling it. So this is nothing but the next control what we have in left hand side is nothing but the horn. You can see the quality of the horn, it's well quality horn is given. So this is nothing but the lamps. Okay, so if you want to toggle from first position to second position, you can use this toggling switch, and you can see here on in every vehicle some sort of code is given. So if you want an extra code which is also given for blind people, it is also given, a code is given. And coming to the next mode of operation, so this is nothing but parking mode. If you apply the parking mode, automatically the everything will be switched off. Okay, now let us try to have the experience. Okay, and coming to the boot switch. Okay, so you see here when I park the stand, automatically it is showing that please remove the side stand, so which the consumer will have a detail. So without the stand, the electric vehicle will not start. Okay, and here to have the we have the boot space. So by using the physical key only, we have to operate the boot space. Okay, so this is the way to start the electric vehicle. The boot space will be open. Okay, so just like normal vehicle, you can close the boot space. And when you start the electric vehicle, you can see the indicators at the side. Okay, so you can see some indicators at the side showing as TVS electric. So this gives a very good look as TVS electric light indicators. And here this is provided with a standard charging port. This is very good charging port. So this is what the charging port which is given to us, and by using this charging port we can charge the electric vehicle. So let us try to see how to connect this charger. This electric vehicle is provided with 650 watts charger. Okay, so you can see this charger. So this electric vehicle is IP65. So IP means ingress protection, 6 is nothing but dust protection, 5 is nothing but this charger can be immersed for 1 minute in water, nothing will happen. So see that input voltage, you can use a single phase supply 220 volts to 240 volts, 50 hertz to 60 hertz, and maximum current is 3 amperes. Okay, so already discussed, it is an 650 watts charger. So since the battery requires DC supply, it is able to supply 58 volts with a product of 11.5 amperes. So it is nothing but the 650 watts power it can supply. So it can withstand a maximum temperature of 60 degrees. Let us try to see how to connect it. Okay, so and this is also provided with a standard charger. So this is nothing but the charger provided for us, which is nothing but RCCB protected charger. And let us try to see how to keep the charging. Okay, so how to keep the charging is very simple. Just open the port and you can see the two terminals here. Just insert the two terminals and just press it. When you press it, automatically the knob will rotate, which indicates this it is locked. Okay, so how to remove the charger is, so just you remove it and just plug it out. So this is how to keep the charging. Okay, so this electric vehicle is provided with a standard DC charging cable, but when you want to charge in faster charging station, we can have an adapter. At the output of the adapter, we can connect to Bharat AC001 Bharat AC charger. So this is all about the way you charge, and you can see here this electric vehicle is having an 30 milliamps of safety. This is nothing but RCCB plug. So if the, for example, if the electric vehicle is having any short circuit or the body is shorted, when any person touches the body, he will not receive any shock, and automatically he will be protected from the electric shock while it is in charging state. This is the importance of this RCCB plug, and this RCCB plug is also IP66. Okay, so IP66 means ingress protection, dust of 6 level, and this charger can also be immersed in water, kept in water for 1 minute, nothing will happen. So this is how this TVS iQube is the most toppest vehicle which is available now in India, which is having all the required a customer required in an electric vehicle, and you can have a good pickup. So thank you for watching the video.